A guy buys a Tesla in 2022. Proud, excited, feeling like he made the smartest decision of his life. For years later, his battery dies. He walks into the dealer. The quote comes back, $27,500. He thought buying an EV meant no more fuel bills, no more maintenance headaches. But now he is staring at a bill that is bigger than what most people spend on a used car. And this is not just a Tesla problem. BYD, Ford, Hyundai, they are all playing the same game. Today, I am going to tell you exactly what brands never say in their marketing. Stay till the end, because I am going to share one tip that could save you thousands of dollars. When we buy an EV, we think we are making a smart move. No fuel costs, low maintenance, a future-proof investment. But nobody tells you that the battery is a consumable item. Just like your phone battery gets weaker after 3 to 4 years, your EV battery degrades too. The difference is that your phone battery costs almost nothing to replace. Your EV battery costs anywhere from $8,000 to $30,000. And I did not make those numbers up. These are real dealer quotes that people are facing right now in 2026. Look at any EV brand's marketing and you will see the same promises. 8-year warranty, battery guaranteed, zero worries. Sounds great, right? But go into the fine print of that warranty and you will find something very interesting. It says the warranty covers the battery only if capacity drops below 70% within 8 years. So here's what that actually means. If your battery is sitting at 71% capacity, warranty void. If it drops to 69%, now you can make a claim. That 1% difference could save you or cost you $20,000. And there is more that brands are hiding. Fast charging too often, parking in extreme heat or cold, charging to 100% every single day, draining the battery to zero. All of these things can technically void your warranty, and your dealer will never tell you this up front. Now let us talk real numbers brand by brand, because this is where the real shock is. Tesla Model 3. Battery replacement runs between $13,000 and $20,000. Model S and Model X go from $20,000 all the way up to $30,000. Tesla does not allow third-party repairs only. Tesla service centers can touch it. That means zero competition and maximum pricing power. BYD Atto 3 battery replacement costs between $8,000 and $15,000. Their Blade battery technology is genuinely better than most competitors. But in many markets, authorized service centers are extremely limited. Go to a local mechanic and your warranty is instantly gone. Ford Mustang Mach-E and F-150 Lightning battery replacement sits between $15,000 and $25,000. Ford does have an advantage because third-party parts are available, but add labor costs on top, and you are looking at another $2,000 to $4,000 extra. Hyundai and Kia offer some of the best warranty terms in the industry at 10 years for models like the Ioniq 5 and EV6. Battery replacement costs range from $10,000 to $18,000. But the same fine print traps apply. The bottom line is simple. No brand is cheap when the battery needs replacing. The only difference is how expensive versus how extremely expensive. So does this mean buying an EV is a bad decision? Absolutely not. But you need to be smart about it. First, follow the 80% rule. Never charge your battery to 100% on a daily basis. Keep it at 80% and your battery life can literally double. Second, limit your fast charging. Fast charging is convenient, but try not to use it more than once a week. Regular slow charging is far better for long-term battery health. Third, read your warranty document carefully before you sign anything. Ask your dealer in writing exactly which conditions will void your warranty. If they cannot give you a clear answer, walk away. Fourth, get a battery health check every 6 months at an authorized service center. If degradation is happening faster than normal, make your claim while you are still inside the warranty window. Fifth, choose your EV insurance carefully. Some insurance plans actually cover battery replacement. It costs a little more upfront, but compared to a $30,000 bill, it is absolutely worth it. Now here is something that almost nobody is talking about. Do you know why EV battery replacement is so expensive right now? Because the refurbished battery market has not matured yet. With petrol cars, you can find used engines, rebuilt parts, affordable alternatives everywhere. With EVs, that entire ecosystem is still being built. Analysts are predicting that by 2027 and 2028, the refurbished EV battery market is going to boom and replacement costs could drop by 40 to 50%. So if your battery is still in decent shape right now, waiting a couple of years before replacing it could be one of the smartest financial moves you make. If this video helped you understand something that your dealer never told, you then do 3 things right now. Hit the like button so this information reaches more EV owners who need it. Subscribe to the channel because my next video is going to answer the biggest question everyone is asking right now. Should you actually buy an EV in 2026 or wait? That video drops very soon and you do not want to miss it. And drop a comment below telling me which EV you own or which one you're planning to buy. I personally read and reply to every single comment. And if you have a friend who is thinking about buying an EV right now, share this video with them. You might just save them $30,000.